In this video, we'll be checking power to the bike's key switch. First, set both the key and handlebar switches to on. Next, set your multimeter to measure DC voltage on a setting of at least 100 volts. Connect the negative multimeter probe to the negative battery terminal, which is connected to a black battery wire. Remove the plastic tank cover. Slide back the clear plastic cover on the red wire connected to the back of the key switch. Touch the red multimeter probe to this red wire. Check that the multimeter reading matches the total battery voltage you recorded in step 1. After testing, replace the cover on the wire. Remove the negative multimeter lead from the battery.